Hi, and welcome to the How to Handshake video series. In this video, you'll learn how to replace or edit a document that you're using on an application. Before we get started, please log into Handshake by first logging into your MySLU portal, selecting the Tools tab, and selecting Handshake from the list of icons. Once you're logged in, click Jobs at the top navigation menu, and then select Applications from the submenu. You'll see a list of all of the jobs you've applied to in Handshake. For this video, I'm going to look at the Career Ambassador intern job. After clicking on the job, you can see that I've already submitted my application. However, one of the documents I'm using has the status Changes Suggested after a review of the Career Services staff. In order to change that document, I need to click the document name, and I'll be taken to view that document. I'll have the option to delete the document, which will prompt me to replace it with another existing approved document, or I can edit the document, which will prompt me to upload a new file. After uploading, that file will go to the queue for Career Services staff to review and either approve or suggest future changes. Thank you for watching this How to Handshake video, and look forward to more videos in the future.